Hi, my name is Sir Pao and welcome to the IASS class. According to Wikipedia, society is a group of individuals involved in persistent social interaction or a large social group sharing the same spatial or social territory, typically subject to the same political authority and dominant cultural expectations. So yung term na society is nanggaling sa Latin word na societas or socius, which means comrade, friend, ally, and alike, to describe the bond or interaction between parties that are friendly or that at least civil. Sa madaling salita, ito ay paggugrupo-grupo or pagsasama-sama ng mga tao sa isang lipunan. We also study the behaviors of the members of the society as a group. Ang behavior ng mga tao ang nagbibigay ng identity sa isang society. Hindi pare-pareho ang iba't ibang society dahil iba't ibang tao, iba-iba din ang behavior ng bawat isa. May iba't ibang goal, kaya ang resulta, iba-ibang klase ng lipunan. Bukod sa behavior ng tao as a group, marami pang factors ang titignan kung bakit iba't ibang klase ang lipunan.